This is a quick demonstration of the pet stain eraser from Bissell. So this thing is charging right now. It takes about 4 hours to fully charge, and when it's fully charged, it runs for about 15 minutes. Once this is done charging, we just pull it out, and this thing seals up. When you're ready to charge, just push this in, and that charges. And this is indicating of the charge. Right now, it's about 1 to 30%, so it's not even fully charged, but it's good enough for a demonstration. So down here, this is where the dirty water collects. You see, it's full right here, so it collects this much water, or if you hold it vertically, it's full this much. So we'll see that fill up. Once it fills up, we can just open this up here and dump this dirty water. So we'll see that collect in just a bit. We have a brush here. This brush is perfect for scrubbing up the tough stains. And right here is where the formula is. In fact, let me put more formula in it right now. You see right here, we'll lift this up. There we go. So we'll lift this up here, and this is where we fill in the formula. So we'll flip this upside down. So we're gonna fill up with this Oxy Spot and Stain. This is designed for portable. So let's go ahead and use this and shake this up a little bit. And you can use water if you want, but it's better to use the formula because it works better. It's more effective for removing the stain. And it has a very nice smell to it. It's a fresh scent. So once we close this up, we can go ahead and put this back into our Bissell pet stain eraser. And that's it, we're ready to go. Remove the charging cable, and we'll just power this baby on. You push this and it powers on. You have a trigger right here, this will spray the water. So when you push the trigger, you'll see this water spray. You see right there? It's spraying the water. That's what sprays the water. So you can spray the water, and when you're ready to suck, this thing sucks at an angle. So you want to have it at an angle like this, and you can see it starts to suck up right here. You see? It's sucking up the water. That's how you get the stain out. You see that stain right here we're trying to get out? That's the stain we're trying to get out. We're gonna have to work our way to get the stain. This stain has been sitting there for months, probably a year now, right? And you can spray again. You see that? It's spraying, and you just suck it out. Because this one allows you to spray and suck out the water so it doesn't stick into your fabric. This is the best way to clean stain. There's still a little bit more stain left right there. We'll spray a little bit more right there. And it's hard to see, but it is removing the stain. There we go. Spray some more and suck up some more. There we go. Spray and vacuum up. Again right there. And that's how you clean up all the stains. Some stain here we're going to try to remove. Let's go ahead and remove this stain because we couldn't get this out. Let's go ahead and try to clean this stain right here. It takes a few passes, and it's getting to it. It's getting to it. It's gone. See all that dirt right there? It's almost at the full on, but you can still fill up here. So there's more we can clean. And we haven't even used a brush. If we want to use a brush, for example, if anything is stubborn, you can use this brush right here to really scrub it out, right? So you can spray, and use this brush to scrub. And then you can use this to suck up. Oh yeah, that works even better. See? Now we're done. You see it collected all this water here. This is all the dirty water. This is the pet stain eraser from Bissell. So we're gonna go ahead and now remove this tank. This tank, to remove it, you're gonna lift up here. Keep this vacuum upright. We'll lift this tab right here and take out the tank. So keep the tank upright to avoid spilling. And all I gotta do is once you get to a sink, you pull this plug right here to drain this dirty water. And that's it. That is the Bissell pet stain eraser right there. Pretty effective of cleaning our furniture from all the pet stain. Oh yeah.